Because my students are used to using the FlexCat, they now know how to collaborate with one another. Collaboration is a word that they use every day. And for sixth graders, to have that as one of their key vocabulary words, I think is really, really awesome. They know to ask open-ended questions. They know to, put a paper in front of one of their peers and say, hey, do this problem, or what do you think the next step should be? And so, along with learning the math and learning math at a high level of understanding to be able to communicate with that, they're learning people skills too.
When they have that chance to kind of shine and kind of share their ideas, share those things that they really know, they're just able to kind of come alive. They just become very proud of themselves. We're able to share more and kind of get more ideas into the mix.
I had a group that was very hesitant of answering questions, and I think it was because they might not have understood what was going on. So when we were in our groups discussing, I heard this one young man really kind of have a very valid answer, and he really supported his answer, and it was quality work. And so when I asked him to share and turn on his speaker pod, and he thought, oh, me, really? I saw this joy come over him when he was sharing, and all the other kids, they would say, I didn't think that way. And it was just kind of a light bulb moment for him to where he gained confidence and was able to really kind of push through.
Their favorite part of the FlexCat is being able to share with the whole group. They think it's just so cool that they could sit in their seat and they can speak just normal like this and everyone can hear them. As a teacher, I like that part because a lot of times when you ask students to share, somebody in the other corner of the room can't hear them because their voice is too low or they don't know how to inflect their voice, but they can just talk in a normal voice just like this and everybody can hear them clearly, plain as day.
I think another powerful tool of the FlexCat is the ability for students to learn from each other. With the FlexCat system, they can speak out, their opinions can be heard in the group, but then also moved out to other groups. The tool is so powerful to give more voices to the classroom. And I think that when students teach others and share knowledge, that they own the knowledge in a deeper way than a traditional classroom might come across as.
I think it's helpful because we can communicate with the teachers and we can also communicate with other students in the classroom based on the same topic and help each other.
The collaboration, the presentation skills are things that the real world of business and industry is telling us our students need when they graduate. They need to be able to collaborate with one another, they need to be able to share ideas, and then when they do have an idea that they feel is ready to be shared with others, they need to have the presentation skills to do that.